The choice I made was of no benefit to my master whatsoever. I guess I'm just not an outstanding doll either.
Here, would you like a roll?
Did you really just pull a roll right out of your pocket?
Of all occasions, John would have fueled up plenty had he known this was in store!
That's right. Using soot powers does chip away at one's stamina as well. You saved us, Emilico, Sean, and John. Seriously? Is your stomach a bottomless pit?
Well, what else do you expect? Half a roll only goes so far.
Now really isn't the time, Master John.
Not you too.
Yay! Good thing I have one trusty roll right here.